On my mind today is my business and the comfort that I'm feeling about being in my business. So as all of you know, I'm in the apartment building investment and development business, and we own and operate apartment buildings in supply-constrained markets and have for a long time. And I've always loved many features about being in the apartment building business. Apartments are a hedge against inflation. They perform well in up markets. They perform well in down markets. They perform well when interest rates are high. They perform well when interest rates are low. So for example, when interest rates are low, owners of apartment buildings can refinance their apartment buildings and take advantage of lower rates, increasing your cash flow. Maybe you're able to pull out some cash, reinvest it back into another building. When interest rates are high, housing markets behave such where it's more difficult for people to get into purchasing a new home because their mortgages are now more expensive. So it means that they're more likely to rent, and it means that existing renters are more likely to stay put, so your occupancy rates are much higher. Likewise, when macroeconomic conditions are very strong, that means more people are lifted up from some of the lower economic tiers, and they're able to increase the amount that they have available to spend on housing, upgrade their apartment situation, upgrade their living situation. When macroeconomic conditions are weak, that means, again, they're more likely to stay put. They're not going to be able to afford that home. They're not going to be able to afford a more expensive place. My particular buildings are mid-priced product, so I'm not at the high end with luxury offerings, and I'm not at the low end. So being a mid-priced operator and owner of apartment buildings allows me to capture most of the market most of the time. And what's really interesting to me now is that I'm seeing the continuation of a trend that we've all been seeing for quite some time, which is work from home. Except now, during this crisis, it's work from home, stay home, don't leave home, you have to be home. So now more than ever, people need a safe, clean place to live. And apartment buildings in supply-constrained markets, for so many, are that solution. So many reasons why I feel great about the business that my friends and family and myself and my investors are in, and so many reasons why I continue to be very bullish on ownership and operations and investment in apartment buildings in supply-constrained areas by a professional market operator. That's the key. You can't have any Tom, Dick, and Harry be doing this. You got to be aligned with a professional market operator that's got the experience and the know-how, how to manage assets, manage properties, and weather major economic events like what we're going through right now. So for all of you out there that are thinking about sometime in the future investing in apartment buildings, commercial income producing real estate, for those of you out there that are sick to your stomach over what's been happening with your 401k and your IRA and your stock portfolio over the past month, I invite you to join us at Siegel Capital. Come take our accredited investor questionnaire. This is only for accredited investors. You can determine if you're an accredited investor by going to our website, siegelcapital.com. And please be safe. Please be healthy. We're going to get through this and ride it out. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for watching.